Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make ginger pork big sandwiches. If you don't know what the ginger pork is, I already made the video on my channel. The link is in the description box, so please check it out. I'm running out of time and I have to pick up my son. Today was a parents' day at my son's kindergarten and now I have to pick up my son. If you follow my Instagram, you know I'm a really busy mom. Anyway, trust me, this idea is super delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut pork into small pieces. Using kitchen shears is easy. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Add the pork. Cook until the meat is nicely separated. Then add the seasonings, sake or white wine is okay, mirin, sweet sake, sugar, grated ginger, and soy sauce. And cook until the liquid is almost gone. Stop the heat. Remove the pork. Then add the cabbage, cook until nice and wilted. Then season with salt and pepper. Put mayonnaise on a slice of bread. Place the wilted cabbage and the pork. Put mayonnaise again. And place another slice of bread. Wrap in parchment paper, cut in half to serve. And now it's done! Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more bread sandwich ideas on my channel, so please check them out. すっごく美味しいです。美味しいです。いただきます。一口じゃ止まらないかもしれないけど、一口食べたらお迎え行かなきゃいけないので、一口で行ってきます。ぜひ作ってみてください。すごく美味しい。炒めたキャベツはボロボロこぼれないし、すごく食べやすいし、すごく美味しいです。キャベツもたっぷり入れられるしね。うん。